Hello and welcome to my review on the BlueFinger gaming keyboard and the BlueFinger mousepad. So first off, the mousepad is pretty big and it's also squishy, which is pretty cool. It's got like a cool hand and stuff. One of the main reasons why you're probably buying this keyboard is that it glows. So you're going to want to hold down FN and press this up arrow key, and then it'll glow like this green, and then a little brighter and a little brighter. So this is the max, and then it also goes different colors. So you hold down the FN, and the middle button here, this one, SL, and then I'll go like this blue, which is cool, this blue, which is the next blue. Also, it pulses all the different colors in a row. If you pull down FN and then you go to this key, then I'll start at the green, and then it'll go to the blue, and then it'll go to the next blue. And then also these parts, like this part here, and also this part here, glows corresponding with the color on the keys. So right now it's like the light blue, and it'll go light blue there, and light blue there. Now it's the green, and so on. Also, you can make it pulse the same color over and over. So you hold down FN and then this one on the far right, and then now it'll pulse like green over and over and over and over. And then you do it again over here, and now it'll do this blue and then this blue. Some things I don't like about this keyboard is that it does have a loud spacebar, and the keys are pretty clattery. I mean, you're not going to be hitting the keys that hard, but they are pretty loud. I like there's razors for the keyboard down here, like here, here, and here, to make the keyboard move however you want it. I think that's pretty much about it about this keyboard. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.